Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Sleepy Beast here, bringing you some gameplay from Phobia paintball in Mission, Texas. Today I decided to bring both of my loadouts. So I'll be showing you some clips of me sniping as well as me using my SSR-15. Today was one hell of a day. It was a lot of fun, good action, a lot of great kills. Make sure you stay to the end of the video to watch one of our bonus clips. One of my buddies decided to voluntarily take my Shogun's hand cannon directly to the chest. Left side behind the board. I think it's one down the middle. Far right. Far left, far left. Far left. Far left. Far back. In the very back by the barrel. It's Ralph. You got one in the center hill. Come on, little kid.
One left side.
Where's he at? Where's he at? They're shooting at me. Hit! Running right. Got one behind the ambulance. They're focusing on me.
That game?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
Behind tires?
No, it's a barricade almost like yours. Bands are clear.
Where's he at?
Okay. Farthest barrier, second one on the left. Like come from the right, second one right here. So it's not the first one, but the second one. On the
Yeah. Hit!
Come on! 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
We got 3 on the right side.
2 left, 2 left!
Got 1. There's 1 left. The little kid's on the right side. Hey, he's out, he's out. There's no more on the left.
No, there's 2 more on the left. There's 1 more on the left.
I meant the right side, my bad.
Sorry. For sure, I'm gonna...
Behind the tires and on the left side. By the ambulance, behind the ambulance. Oh, he's there, he's down. That game? Is that game?
Let's go! 3, 2, 1, go, go, go!
Two behind that wooden cover. Behind that cover, it's one guy. One on the far right. Far right, angle cover. Hey bro, he's facing me. You want to push up that way? Behind that angle cover on the right side now. Left side. You want to push up? There's no fucking way. Fuck it. Got him. Got the guy on the right side, far back. What? Is that game? So behind the ambulance. Behind the ambulance. Wooden Murray behind the police car. He's out. Far left. Far back by their spawn. Game. Oh shit. Far left and behind the wood. Circle's back there. Far right in the angle one. Anybody on left? Hit! Hit! Me too.
Right side!
Whoa!
Oh, that hurt.
Got that on video. Let me get over there so I can get a... Go for it.
Just pull it right, there's no safety?
Safety... Now it's off.
Yeah, okay. Ready?
Yeah.